Hi everyone, welcome to Understand the Bible. If you want to know more about the Bible, more about Christianity, then you come to the right place. Understand the Bible is devoted to teaching the Christian faith online. There are two ways to use Understand the Bible. The first way is if you just click the subscribe button, you'll get new videos as they're released. And that includes things like courses, that includes things like the thought for the week, regular weekly content, learn to read the Bible and so on. You can find out lots more about that on the website, that's understandthebible.uk. The second way is you can sign up on the Understand the Bible website for different courses, and they are designed to teach the Christian faith from beginner, from the ground up. And each time you finish a course, it will show you which course to move on to afterwards. So you could start with what is Christianity, then you can move on to how to live as a Christian, or you could choose which one you want to do. It's up to you. So do click on the subscribe button. Do check out the website. There's a podcast as well if you're interested in that kind of thing. We're on Facebook. So do have a little look under here for all of the links. And I hope to see you again for the next session very soon. God bless.